Meanwhile, the AFP knows that no group has so far claimed responsibility for the Samal abduction. The AFP is also closely coordinating with the PNP on the search and rescue operations for the kidnapped victims. Alvin Clemente reports.
This is the first time the Armed Forces of the Philippines has encountered a kidnapping wherein no group is asking for ransom for the 3 foreigners in one Filipino. According to Colonel Restituto Padilla, kidnappers usually ask for ransom immediately after the abduction.
Based on what we know and what we have in our records, yes, ito yung mga ibang pagkakataon. Wala pang ibang pagkakataon na ganito katagal na wala pang lumalantad. May mga pagdurukot na nangyari na kaugnay ng mga kidnap for ransom dito sa noong araw dito sa may Kanayunan at saka sa syudad. Pero yung ganitong klaseng pagdukot na isinagawa sa Mindanao na usually within a few days or the day itself may lumalantad na wala pang katulad ito.
2 of the kidnappers have already been caught, and this may cause the kidnappers to break into smaller splinter groups. The military is studying the possibility that they are hiding the hostages in a hidden location so that they cannot be found by the authorities.
It's hard to second guess, but sometimes the presence of participants or accessory to a crime may have been arrested in a specific area, but will not necessarily pinpoint to where the hostages are. So it could be a ruse, or it could be intentional that they divided themselves into small groups or groups of 2 or individuals, while the hostages are kept somewhere else.
The military is coordinating with the police to provide them all the support they need. The AFP has yet to find concrete evidence that the kidnappers of John Ridsel, Robert Hall, Kajartan Sekingstad, and Marites Flor are in Sulu.
Madami na pong balita na lumabas na ganyan. Actually, yung balita po na yan ay mahigit 1 linggo na. Pero yung verifikasyon po na sinasagawa namin, wala pa pong nagpapatunay base sa aming mga nakuhang impormasyon na nandun nga po sila. So hanggat hindi po na satisfy ang ating requirements para sa mga pag-validate ng information na nagsasabing nandun sila, hindi po natin ganap na masasabi na talagang nandun sila sa isla ng Holo.
After 2 weeks, 2 kidnappers have been caught in Davao City this week, but the hostages have yet to be found. Until now, no group has claimed to the kidnapping in Holiday Ocean View Marina.